The HP camera error code 0Xa00F4244 signifies a problem with the camera driver. This error can be caused by various issues, including a glitch, outdated firmware, or a faulty installation. To resolve this issue, several solutions can be attempted. First, a hard reset of the device can be performed by long pressing the power button for about 5 seconds to turn it off, letting it rest for a minute, and then powering it back on. Once restarted, the camera option can be enabled by going to the settings, accessing the device manager, scrolling to find the camera option, and selecting it. Alternatively, installing a new camera driver can be done by accessing the device manager, selecting the camera option, double-clicking on it, and navigating to the driver tab to note the camera and manufacturer names. The official website of the manufacturer can then be searched online to download and install the latest camera update, followed by a device restart. If the issue persists, the camera can be reinstalled by going to the Windows settings, selecting Apps, clicking on the camera app, tapping on Advanced Options, and selecting Reset, confirming the selection by clicking Reset again. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further guidance.